ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today I have to hurry. We've been called by the local sheriff's department. They have a vehicle that has run into a utility pole on a county road. As always, we ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes for all involved. Gotta go. We'll see what we got when we get there. Alright, I see the police lights ahead of me. See what do we have going on here. It's that little car. Doesn't look like it's hit a... Oh, there's another one.
What's up, Biggin?
Howdy, howdy.
I can't get the hood open to shut the horn off.
It'll die eventually. Everybody all right?
Yeah.
Good deal.
It's all yours.
Do I need to stop?
working on that pole.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's cracked down here.
Yeah. I told them they was gonna need to come look at it for sure.
This, SEMO electric, yeah.
I mean, look how much it shifted.
Oh my goodness, yeah. That's good. What, 5-6 inches? At least.
Yeah.
Well, I bet these lines were shaking.
Why I stayed over there.
Woo! I'm surprised she's okay.
That's what I said. I said, I'm surprised everybody didn't go off.
Airbag, yeah, me too. That's what I was just getting ready to say. Airbag didn't go off. No horn. I know I saw one up here. There it is. Yes, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it was nice to find out that there were no injuries. Could have been very, very bad. Hitting a mainline pole like that, had the pole snapped or the lines came down on top of the vehicle, could have been a very, very dangerous situation. It did move the pole, but the pole did not break. Anyway, they were okay. I've got the car with the 4-point tie down on it, headed back to the shop. Just a quick, simple, easy job, but those help pay the bills. As always, thank you for watching. God bless. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today we have a unique situation. Not a crash, but a stolen piece of equipment that has been located, and we have to go recover. They said it was an excavator, but they didn't know what size it was, so I sent Ethan down to scout it out. He said it's a Mini X, so it ought to fit on a rollback. Hopefully that is the case. But I'm headed in to that direction in truck number 15, our Peterbilt rollback. Anyway, here we go. Okay, I'm backing into the alley. Ethan's already been here, supposed to have checked the oil and all that stuff to see, in case I do have a key, we can drive it on instead of having to winch it on. Best case scenario. But we'll know here in a minute. Ooh, nice little mini X. Howdy. Oh, you got it running?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought they said it was locked.
They thought it was.
Where was it?
This is a button.
There we go.
It says that's just idle.
Once we get out to the alleyway, I'm just going to take a couple pictures and then grab a couple things out of the inside, and then it'll be all y'all's.
Sure.
Ain't nothing need to.
Yep.
I'll pull forward a little bit and lay the bed down. We'll just drive it up there. I'm not gonna, if it runs, I'm not gonna winch it up there.
That's right. Yeah.
Man, that, whew. I'd like to have this machine.
That's what we were just saying. You can drop
That's
this bugger off the pile.
nice machine. Got the thumb, hydraulic thumb even. Okay, did not need the keys. Howdy, Chief. It'll turn around. It don't matter. I've hauled 50s on this thing before, so that's just a 30. Darn nice machine, man.
Yeah, and the AC is cold.
Is it?
And it's got a backup camera, radio.
Bring it on up, then plant your blade, spin it around, and turn the hoe to the back. Keep on coming. Come on up. You want your weight forward as much as possible. All right, whoa, hold on. Let me get that other side and these wood blocks. All right, plant the blade. All right, you can come up another 6 inches. Keep coming. There you go. Now plant it. Just barely touch the deck with it. There you go. Spin around and set the bucket on the deck. What? What?
What did I do wrong?
Nothing. You have to release it with the release handle.
Yes?
Yep.
I just tried.
Pull it backwards to you. Or reach inside. Sometimes you have to, there's a release on the, between the door and the cab. Maybe. All right, so take one of these to the machine and one on the arm. Oh man, you kidding? What?
Which Just waiting for this bolt on the arm.
Just straight across. And this isn't long enough to do what I want to do with it. Here, Ethan, let's change this up. Let's change this up. Give me the other, give me that J hook there. We'll get a standard 20 on here. Hand me that. Get a standard tie down on the out of the box.
On the box?
Out of the toolbox. Hold on. I love our speed binders. We're gonna need one regular ratchet binder because we only have 4 speed binders.
I thought we had 6.
Nope, we only have 4.
Hey.
Yep, I know. Not my first one of these I moved. We got her. She ain't going nowhere. Did they give you a tow sheet or anything yet showing who the owner is?
Nope.
Okay, I'll go find out.
They said they're going to have the owner come down there to the station first.
All right. Slide your weight over the axle or forward of the axle before tilting the bed down to keep from raising the front wheels off the ground. Even though this is a smaller machine, you could still end up raising the front end off the ground if you don't have your weight distribution proper. But we're good. Very nice machine. Very, very nice. And I was just joking. Yes, I would love to have a machine like that, but I'm not going to take it from somebody. We just joke around, play around like that. Oh, all right. Here we go. Take it back to the shop, get it unloaded, and go on to the next call. As always, thank you for watching. God bless.